Thank you so much. Okay, we're gonna do orange. And then thank you. Thank you. So you want to go first? Sure. All right. Let me just put all the lines on top first. And then I think I got 2 more. It is. Oh no. All right, go ahead. Beautiful. Thank you, everybody. Scoop some on your sponge. So I can put some dish soap on. Yes. Thanks to the senders. That flower one flipped. Come on, look. Look your sponge up. Oh. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 12, 24, 36 cans left.
Take all our cans.
So cute.
Mm-hmm.
That was nice. rolling. Thank you. This pink one thick. Thank you guys. Yes, dig all the powder up from the bone. I know it's a lot. My daughter. Oh, thank you. Hold on. Thank you. We don't have any more powder going in right now. I got, what did I say? Like, what?
36 cans.
36 cans left for purchase. Jeez. Come up to you want some dish soap? Which one? Purple. Purple? The purple one pretty much gone.
Pink. Pink and purple.
Hold it. Make sure you get in the middle. Purple one too. Yes, beautiful. Do the flower.
You want?
The flower. Squeeze this. And then go ahead. Add water. What? It's already watery. We need some more powder. Use the heart though.
What?
The heart part. I was gonna put a dish up in there. Pink. So alright, let's do yellow. This one? It don't matter. I'm talking about the soap.
Oh.
Do the pink one. The baby, is it baby one?
Yeah.
this soap is cold. Where's the white one?
This?
Get out. Let's get out.
Excuse me.
Okay. For cans. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. W her. For real. Or him. I'm sorry. I don't know if you're a male or a female. So, yeah. W for them. For sure. Got 40 for can. 40? Mm. Did you want the cans all in, or did you want cans are 2 each? Did you want the cans all in, or did you want bombs on each sponge? Bombs? Okay. Alright, bet. Alright, let them sponges up, girl. Just make sure I get all of them. Ooh. Alright. Well, you can keep squeezing until I bring all the cans. Thank you. This one. Just for her, I'm throwing this big bag of them. Just for you, I'm gonna throw in this big bag of aroma.